There's a lot of statistics or infographics about what's going on in the Edmonton real estate market, but do you really care about infographics and statistics and numbers and percentages, or do you really care about what it means for you? A lot of the agents are going to put out there the Greater Edmonton stats. And let me tell you what the Greater Edmonton stats come from. They come from places like Gibbons, Legal, New Sarepta, Warburg, Thorsby, Waldman. What do these statistics in these small towns have to do with you in Edmonton? So I always bring you the statistics that are within the Edmonton, the city of Edmonton area, because that's what is most important to you. That is what affects your property value and the market in your area. So let's go over the statistics about the city of Edmonton, the actual city of Edmonton. The inventory is sitting at around 4,400, which is really, really low, but in the wintertime, there's a lower inventory always. We've seen it throughout the entire year, but the inventory is still low going into the winter months, which is pretty normal. So we're gonna have the sales are gonna come down a bit. From last month, they were down by 9%. But the great news is sales are up by 26% in the Edmonton area, 26% year to date. So sales are up by a quarter. That's amazing news. We've got sales up. Now, days on market for detached homes, we're sitting at 45, which is up a little bit, but still not too scary. So if your house is sitting on the market for over 45 days, 60 days, 70 days, it's likely overpriced. People are not willing to pay the price that you have it for. So the big thing that's on everybody's mind, what's the benchmark price? This is the sale price of the average home like you in the market. So we're at $440,000 for single family homes. What does that mean? It means it's up 2.1% year to date. The price of your home, if you're sitting in a single family home, is up 2.1%. That's amazing news. It's down 0.7% since last month, but we always see that going into the winter, going into the fall, that prices will come down a little bit because there's less buyers out there. If you're sitting in an apartment, the benchmark price is $175,000, which is up 2.5% year to date. Another up. And if you're looking at townhouses, $229,000, which is up 4% since this time last year. So prices are up. This is great news for everybody. You know, we had a hot market in the spring of last year. Now everything has cooled down. The market's pretty balanced. Inventory is low. There's less buyers out there. Interest rates are going higher. It's great news for you as a seller. It's great news for you as a buyer because it's a nice balanced market. We can all get back to buying and selling homes and being confident in what we're buying, being confident in what we're selling. There's going to be no drastic moves up or down in the Edmonton real estate market in the near future, so we can all be confident in that. Interest rates are a little bit, they've come down a little bit because of bond yields, but they should be sticking around that 5 to 5.5% for probably the next 6 to 12 months. So you can have confidence in the interest rates as well. If you have any questions about the Edmonton real estate market, reach out to me or someone on the team. Have a great day.